Recently, a jury found that McDonald's was liable because a 4-year-old girl got a Chicken McNugget burn on her leg. It was a second-degree burn. So, what did McDonald's do wrong? Hi, I'm Tom Friedman. I'm a lawyer in Nevada. And in this case, a jury in Florida found that McDonald's USA and its franchise owner, which is Upchurch Foods, was liable for a second-degree burn caused on a 4-year-old's left thigh. So the attorneys for the girl's parents stated essentially that the mom had driven through or picked up food at McDonald's. The girl was in her seat. She's only 4 years old. And while mom was driving, the girl apparently spilled her chicken McNuggets into her lap. One of the McNuggets landed between her belt and her bare thigh. The girl started screaming. The mom stopped, took out her iPhone, took pictures, recording. And in fact, they played the recording of the screaming to the jury in this particular case. And so what happened was the lawyers for the mom argued that the Chicken McNugget was over 200 degrees and McDonald's was liable for the burns. The attorneys for McDonald's said no, the temperature was no more than 160 degrees. So I took a quick look myself. According to National Institute of Standards and Technology, a second-degree burn injury, which is what occurred in this case, can occur if temperatures of 131 degrees, and of course, more than that as well. So here, the jury found the franchise holder was responsible for negligence and for failure to warn customers about the risk of hot food. McDonald's USA was liable for failing to provide instructions for safe handling of the food, although McDonald's USA was not negligent, and the jury also dismissed the argument that the product, the Chicken McNugget, was defective. So presumably, because the McNugget's not defective, we'll still be having McNuggets if we want them. So this was just to determine fault. There's going to be another hearing determination later in the future to decide how much money should be awarded to the girl's parents from this lawsuit. So the impact from this verdict is going to be a little bit interesting to watch. We have food handling guidelines which require certain foods to be maintained at certain hot temperatures to avoid foodborne illness. In this case, is a little bit unique because you have a Happy Meal given to a 4-year-old girl. It appears she was autistic, and when the food landed on her thigh, I guess she was unable to move it away. The facts seem to indicate it was on her thigh for 2 minutes. So, do you think the jury got it right? Please feel free to comment below, and thanks very much for watching.